Want to earn extra cash in 2024? Here are 7 side hustles that could take your income to the next level. Number 1. E-commerce. From dropshipping to selling handmade crafts, the online market is thriving. Get in the game and start selling today. Number 2. Gig economy jobs. Platforms like Uber, DoorDash, and Instacart let you earn cash on your own terms anytime, anywhere. Third up, freelancing. Got skills? Whether you write, design, or code, freelance gigs let you turn your talents into income. Number 4. Content creation. Love being in front of camera? Your passion for videos, blogs, or podcasts could become a lucrative side hustle. Fifth, online tutoring and courses. If you are an expert in something, share your knowledge through tutoring or online courses and get paid for it. And finally, investing and passive income. Use apps like Robinhood or Accounts to start investing. Let your money work for you even while you sleep. 2024 is your year to boost your income. Which side hustle will you start? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more money making tips. Thanks for watching.